Hey class, what's up? My name is Lucas. I'm doing the week 2 discussion question 1 post. It's a video post, and basically what it's asking is what might the relationship between the Genesis story and the modern scientific ideas about the origins of the earth and of human life. So basically I'm going to do this is I'm going to talk about the scientific idea and then the Genesis story and kind of see if there's any correlation between the two. So the modern scientific ideas of the origins of the Earth and creation and all that um, are basically the Big Bang, and this is according to Khan Academy, where they were saying over about 13.8 billion years ago, there was a Big Bang, a giant energy burst, which created everything that we know and can see today. But as soon as you go a little bit deeper, it's a little bit harder. Like, where did that first energy burst come from? It seems like it was just random. And when you ask scientists that, they're like, well, honestly, we don't know yet. But as soon as we get more knowledge and more intel on it, then we'll be able to figure it out and fully understand the origin of the universe. Whereas when you look at the Genesis side, in Genesis 1, Genesis chapter 1, verse 1, the very beginning of the Bible, it says, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. It's very clear. There's no room for interpretation or anything. It just says, in the beginning, before anything was, before there was the earth or the sun or stars or anything like that, God existed. And in the beginning, God created everything that we know and see today with the power of his words. So we can see from that is that when you look towards the more scientific idea, it's basically saying that there was no God, there was no powerful deity involved. It was just random, accidental, just an atom split, and everything came from that. There was massive energy blasts, and everything came from that. But when you ask them, what triggered the Big Bang, they can't really answer. They say, well, we need to learn a little bit more first. But when you look towards the Genesis side, it's very different in that it doesn't say, well, we need to find out more first. It says, this is how it happened. God, who is a powerful, all-knowing, he's everywhere and he's all-powerful, he created everything and he created it all very well. So there is so many differences in the origin story between the Genesis and the modern scientific ideas, and honestly not a whole lot of correlations between the two, other than the fact that both believe that there was a beginning to the universe. That's really about it. Thank you.